everybody! Guess what we have? We have some animals for you guys. Yay! You ready? Ready? I have an anteater named Alex. Anteater. I have a bull named Billie. I'm a chicken and a cow! I have a dog named Daniel. Woof! I have an elephant named Elijah. I have a frog named Fred. Ribbit! I have a goat named Gilligan. What a goat, Steve!
Yeah.
Go! I have a hippo named Harry. Hippo! I have an iguana named Ian. Iguana. I have a jaguar named Jack. I have a kangaroo named Kate. Hop. I have a llama named Larry. Llama. Oh, I have a monkey named Max. I have a newt named Norman. Newt. I have an octopus named Ozzy. I have a penguin named Perry. Penguin! Oh, I have a quail. I have a quail named Quinsey. I have a quail named Quinsey. Cool. I have a rabbit named Ronnie.
School's closed. Not.
Rabbit. No.
Schools are open whenever.
What is a rabbit? Rabbit. I have a shark named Shay. No, that's me. I have a shark named Shay. Roar! I have a tiger named Tina.
What is? I don't understand.
We didn't name our unicorn. I have a unicorn named
Ulysses.
I have a unicorn named Ulysses.
That's Grant.
That's Grant. Cool. You need our card, yeah.
Who's Farmington?
I have a velociraptor named Vincent. Velociraptor! I have a walrus named William. I have an X-Ray named Xavier. X-Ray. I have a yak named Yogi. And we have a zebra named Zeek. Zebra.